Amos. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You had spoken with Ashley, my partner, yesterday and said we could send you this video. I'm just making a quick video to show you how to improve your website so that you can bring in some more customers for free. And I know you're probably wondering why we're doing something like this. I'll be honest, I actually used to own my own roofing and general contracting company here in Alaska. So I know that business owners reach a point where they're so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in customers to them. And the only thing that holds these owners back from hiring marketing agencies is they obviously don't know who's an expert and who's going to be a waste of time. So we found that by making these free attack plans and giving them away for free, there's still business owners who end up calling us back and asking us to help them out. So if after this video you see that we've got tricks up our sleeves and that we could do good work for you, then go ahead and give us a call back and we can have a chat. If you just want to take the information and fix your site yourself, please do. This is free education. We're going to be talking about 3 quick things today to make this a nice short video for you: content, citations, and backlinks. So looking at your site, it is appealing. It's a good looking site, very easy to read and navigate. And I see you guys are saying you currently only cover a service area of about 50 miles around Loganton, Pennsylvania. I will be letting you know that there's not a search volume happening in the area. I feel like you guys may want to extend on your service area so that you can try and work on growing your business and scaling. For content, Google is not ranking you based on the appearance of your site. Google is using bots called crawlers that are scanning the information in your site to find keywords to have you appear for in the search results. So with that in mind, you want a minimum of 1,500 words of content on the homepage and a minimum of 500 words on each back service page. This will allow you guys to show Google that you're an expert in your industry, and it helps prevent keyword stuffing with the rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. Now, if we go over, I've pulled up just an example to show you. Roofers Loganton, there's no search volume happening at all. There's just nothing being recommended. Even looking here, Roofers Loganton, PA, nothing. So you're at the top on this pack here, and you're at the top in the searches. But this is why I wanted to show you the expansion opportunity you guys could be looking at. If I did a keyword just like roofing contractors, Pennsylvania, that has 90 searches happening each month. And as you can see right here, roofing contractors, Philadelphia gets 320 searches each month. Roofers in Lancaster is being searched almost 300 times a month. Right here, roofing contractors, Lancaster, 140 times a month. So there's a big search volume happening all over Pennsylvania, just not in your area. So I really recommend just expanding your service area if that's something you're ever open to, because the opportunity to grow is very real for you guys. If we go down, we're going to see this Google My Business or Google Map Pack. I had showed you on the other key term under Loganton, you guys were the ones that were top ranking. So with this, you want to make sure you have your company contact info in, all of your photos, and then you need citations, which are just online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. There's a long list of them, but get yourselves on as many of those as you can. You want at least 100 more than your competitors, and that will help you rank in the top 3. If we continue down, the first company that comes up for roofing contractors in Pennsylvania is Greenawalt Roofing. So I will be using them as your competitor for the remainder of the video. I understand they're in a different service area, but the fact that they are coming up first for this broad statewide key search shows me that they're a good competitor to use. Here I've pulled up their site, and you can see they don't have very much content, so the opportunity for you to surpass them on the 1,500-500 rule is very possible. This tool, Ahrefs, we use to help rank our clients. We can see that I've pulled up, there we go. I pulled up your site here, and we can see that you guys don't have very much data. There's only 4 backlinks coming from 4 domains. Backlinks are when a website online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. Google likes this because they're all about the popularity game, but backlinks aren't created equal. So if you're linking with other sites, you need to make sure that they're relevant to the industry. They need to be related to roofing. And they also need to be high quality sites. They can't be spam sites or Google is going to knock you down on the ranking. You guys don't have any data for the ranking or rating because there's just so little content. You guys have 4 backlinks coming from 4 sites, 9 keywords, and you're only getting 1 organic traffic. So you're really not getting discovered at all. And if you look here, we can see what keywords you have. And just for the name of your company, Roofing Bowl, I'm sure they meant Bowl Roofing, right? There's 100 search volume, but you're in the 15th position, so you're right at the bottom or on the top of, first and second page. So you're not getting any traffic. Just you're not. That's the soonest you pop up is the bottom of the first page, or the next one is going to be the 40th page. So you guys need to get some more content so you can start ranking for keywords and the searches happening around you. If we go over to your competitor, we can see they have a high website rating strength and a high domain rating strength. The domain rating is coming from the backlinks. They have over 3,000 backlinks coming from 203 sites. In this situation, for our clients, we would use the copycat method and find the highest quality backlinks that your competitor is using, put them on your site, and then go find you even more so that you're actually doing more than your competition. They have over 3,000 keywords, but look at that traffic. Over 4,000 traffic coming to their site each month. Even if they're only closing half of that, that's still 2,000 jobs a month. So you can see the potential from having your website optimized and why it's important. That's kind of all my recommendations. Get the 1,500 minimum words on the homepage, 500 word minimum on each back page, get some backlinks going for industry relevant sites, and get your company put up on this map pack with more online directories containing your contact info. If you guys do this, you will be ranking #1 across Google. And I know you're probably wondering what to do with the information now. Well, you can take it and apply it yourselves. That's totally okay. This was just free education. All Ashley and I really want is just your feedback and thoughts about the video. And if you did want any help getting this stuff done, or you just want to worry about the business and know that your phone's going to be ringing off the hook and your website's managed, go ahead and give us a call. We can have a chat and see if we'll be a good fit together. Our partner Jeremy will be contacting you to follow up and try to get feedback about the video. Thanks so much and have a great day.